Tabaco.
Ese es tabaco, sí. Always I do one.
Vamos a comer este.
Muchos animales.
Ay, sí.
Tobacco drying here. Tobacco is cultivated only once a year between November, March. Only in this period you can see tobacco. After April, May, we cultivate corn. So we rotate tobacco and corn in the same field. Right? That's it. That's why you're lucky to come in this morning. Right? Yes. Viñales National Park is protected by UNESCO since 1999. UNESCO declared Viñales National Park cultural and World Heritage of Humanity. Because of that, we do not use any chemicals or pesticides. Its seed is the smallest.
Really, this is
Really small.
So you cannot put one by one in the field, right? Impossible, right? So in this piece of land, we take many here and we spread them by hand like that, right?
wow.
We spread them by hand. And we wait 45 days. In 45 days, we have baby plants like this. 10, 15 centimeters, all growing together. There's no
45
space. 45 days. There's no space so that they can develop. So what do?
Cut.
No, we take them. Yeah, we move them to the fields. All right, for example, seabed, 45 days later.
Oh. This.
Wow.
45 days later, right? So we take them.
So don't swallow them.
I just wanted to.
We take them from here by hand.
And then put
Together
them
with the
away.
roots.
Oh, with the roots. Of
Yes, because on the
course.
farm.
No, the roots, they won't grow. One of the reasons why Cuban cigars are so expensive is that everything is done by hand. So after this, we go to the fields and we transplant. Look,
So you remove.
yeah, with more space. 25 centimeters between each plant, more or less. Just approximately.
Do you want them back?
Now, run away. Run away.
They seem.
Take them to Serbia.
It's too late.
All right, so after this, we wait 2 months. 2 months later, we recollect the leaves. You saw. We recollect them when we bring them here for drying. 2 months to dry here. When the leaves are dry, we take them from the stem. The stem is no good for anything. So we take the leaf and we group the leaves. We make like a bundle. And we also make a package like that one. So the whole production finishes in packages like that one, right? And then the whole production goes to a building where women start classifying the leaves. Women, more delicate hands to open the leaves and to classify the leaves according to the color, to the size, and to the texture. I told the boss, this cannot be here. Move that upper, because I cannot work here and this so close here. He said tomorrow. We're coming out now. Right? That's it. So the leaves are classified according to the texture, color, and size, right? In 16 different leaves, but only 4 sort of leaves, only 4 qualities will be used to make a cigar, right? The ones from the bottom, we call them volado, a picture. Everything is better with a picture. For example, 4 sort of leaf according to the position they take in the plant. From the bottom, we call the quality of Volado. Very thin leaf.
Okay.
Not so much flavor, not so much nicotine, not so much sunlight. So it's good for the combustion. The leaf is thin, burns fast, right? From the middle, good for the aroma. We call this quality seco to this quality. Upper, we call this quality ligero, more sunlight, more nicotine, thicker in texture, more flavor, right? It's good, determines the flavor of the cigar. And the ones from the top, called medio tiempo, this quality, the strongest leaves are the ones from the top. All sunlight, all nutrients from the land from the soil, go to the apple leaves. Stronger, thicker, darker in colors, right? Determines also the taste of a cigar. So 4 sorts of leaves, 1 for the combustion, 1 for the aroma, 2 for the flavor.
Wow.
So when we make a cigar, we blend
All of that.
we blend the leaves according to the blending.
And
We
that's make different kinds of cigars.
That's it. We make a different cigar. Do you know about any Cuban cigar brand?
Cohiba.
Cohiba, Romeo and Juliet. It's a novel a cigar.
Both.
Depends on your
And a song and a band and everything.
Sure, it's a
yes.
both.
Both.
Yeah, Romeo and Juliet, Monte Cristo,
Monte Cristo, yes.
Partagas, Hoyos de Monterrey, Robainas, 27 different brands of Cuban cigars. 27. That's one of the differences. Different blending. You make it strong, medium, or you make it light, like the cigars we make here. So when the leaves are classified, the government takes 90% to cigar factories. The government has many factories all over the island where the government produces 300 million cigars in 1 year. 300 millions for exportation and also to sell in Cuba. That's why the government pays all the farmers for 90%. They take it, 90%, right? And 10% is for us to make our own cigars for personal consumption, to offer to visitors, family, friends, and also for selling, right? This is an official farm where people interested in buying cigars, they can do it here legally, right? This is an official one, okay? So we offer cigar to our visitors. She said she wanted to try.
Yes.
I don't know if anyone else would like to try a cigar, right?
Over there.
Right?
I'm not sure if I will be able to smoke an entire cigar.
You can share.
I will probably share one with her.
Maybe you share everything with your
Because I
wife.
don't smoke, but I would like to try to taste it.
Do you share
I don't smoke
everything
either,
with
but
your
it's,
wife?
you know.
Of course. Oh, so no problem.
It's no problem.
She made the signature.
If you don't share everything with her, anything you don't want to share, you give, I will share with her.
Did you hear that?
I'm joking. Okay. Hot here. Let's go to the table.
Okay.
And we'll continue talking, give you a cigar, a shot of rum, and now we roll a cigar.
Ah, yeah, great.
What?
Yes.
Good news. Okay. Honey is to put honey on the mouth. This is tradition of Che Guevara. You know Che?
Yes, of course.
He was a smoker,
Yes.
and he used to do it. We continue the tradition in honor to Che.
The picture.
Okay, you tell me, have you smoked cigars before?
Yes.
Only the smoke in the mouth.
Yes, yes,
You
yes.
don't need to inhale.
You
the
don't
smoke.
inhale.
All right, only the smoke in the mouth. Okay.
Попробуй.
What is this material?
So an intelligent guess would be that it's probably
Intelligence.
also
I said it also from tobacco.
From tobacco.
No, I don't
it
think
doesn't look like it, but
They
but
said intelligent.
Tobacco is the intelligence. This Serbian intelligence? It's not good.
He's Hungarian.
Hungarian. Hungarian.
Half Hungarian.
Half Hungarian. Yeah, no,
Half Hungarian, half
Hungry
Serbian.
intelligence
we
is not
figured
good.
if you're asking, it probably it's not what it looks like. So that's
That's why we get something else. But probably it is the
What?
first guess
What?
was
What do you think?
I don't
The
know the
first
word
is-
in English for the one that the regular plant that grows near the rivers. It looks like that, sort of a
We
palm
don't know
or
the
something.
name. We don't know.
Bamboo.
Intelligence. But in this case, Serbian intelligence, not Hungarian.
So it is a palm leaf.
Palm.
It does look
That's
like
too
one,
obvious.
but that's
That's obvious.
Yeah, royal palm.
That's an obvious answer. So we thought
It's an
it's
obvious answer, so we thought
we thought we'll change the answer.
probably
this
a
palm.
trick question.
In this case,
Intelligent thought.
royal palm. That's Cuba's national tree. Cuba's national. You learn something new always.
Yes.
Cuba's national tree is the royal palm. So this is symbolic. People are taking Cuba's national tree to their countries. That's how we sell our cigars from the 10%. Protected. It's solid, strong to protect our cigars.
Cool.
The Thai does too.
So do you want to try with honey?
Of course, Che Guevara style, huh?
Che Guevara style.
Why did he do that? Because of the flavor?
Yeah, good. Tradition of Che. To your mouth. Suck.
Not in here.
What's so funny?
Don't inhale.
What's so funny?
Don't inhale.
I didn't. I just a little by accident.
Do it.
Puxa, que é malo.
No.
Wild is there.
Look. Better suck. Yes. Hey. I know why you're laughing. Yeah. Don't misunderstand what I'm trying to
Never
say.
crossed his mind.
Yes, like that. Oh, she's a pepper, a smoker.
Natural talent.
To your mouth. Perfect. We do like that. For a better combustion. Okay. So that big package is also used. Learning, it's doing it better.
He's doing better. Yeah.
Doing it better.
Where to? Here?
Don't ash it. No. 2 centimeters without falling
really?
is a good cigar. So you don't need to ash it. You let it fall here. Don't worry. This is a table for smoking now. Right? Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers. Cheers.
Yeah.
Cheers.
Cheers. Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers. Thank you.
Salud.
Try. This is the only rum in Cuba produced from a little guava. Do you know what a guava is?
No.
A small fruit, guava.
Yeah.
Guava, not big. We eat as a fruit. But a guava. You don't know guava?
Guava.
Is the
No, we
same
don't
thing
have it.
that they make tequila from? No.
They make?
No.
Tequila.
No, tequila is
no.
made from agave.
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 It's similar.
No, this is a small fruit. Looks, like a guava.
It's very delicious.
All the rums are produced from sugar cane. This is blended, like a mixture. Rum with the juice of this little guava that only grows in the western part of Cuba. And the only one factory, distillery that produces this rum in the world is in Pinar del Rio, right? A rum that is not exported. You can only see this rum here.
So this is as local as it gets.
Local, because the guava tree only grows in the western. That's why the name, Guayabita, small guava del Pinar del Rio, western part, right? The production very limited because of the guava.